So this is July's LootCrate. The theme was Heroes 2. The first thing we see, well, this is all we see in the box.
Yeah, this is the small things first.
It's a Star Trek.
It's just, oh, it's vanilla. It smells like
Air
vanilla.
freshener, vanilla.
That's nasty, isn't it?
Oh,
This smells good.
I mean,
It's too
yeah.
hard though.
Yeah, it's too strong.
But it's for
Vanilla game too strong.
so hard, like when you open the door, you can smell
The Batman Classical TV. Did we open it or?
It's a key pop. I don't want to open that one.
Oh yeah, it's
Let's just do it closer.
basically they're trying to.
It's like young Batman, and then he's on top of like a bird.
I mean, a pop Batman is better than that. It is.
Talking shit right now?
I'm not talking shit. I'm just like.
Don't I have
That's
that?
fun.
There's also Superman and Catwoman. It's pretty cool.
Can I keep this?
No. What's the next thing, Carlos?
And the next thing is a multi-tool batarang. Am I open it?
No.
Yes.
No.
Why not? You're supposed to open it.
Yes, but it's not necessary.
That's the whole point of this.
It's an actual batarang.
No, it's not. It's
Yes.
it's
If I throw this at you, is it gonna hurt you, Carlos?
probably because it's metal.
Yes. It's an actual batarang.
I want you to throw it at me.
It's a bottle. It's a bottle opener. So it's right there. Bottle opener. The corners are
You're not
screwdrivers.
afraid.
Yes. The keychain. Bottle opener. It's pretty cool. This is the best thing in the box.
Okay. And then the next thing is a Zelda, which I'm keeping.
I need that.
But you're not keeping that, Carlos.
Yes, I am.
It's for exercise.
Yeah, which is on the exercise.
I can try, Carlos.
Here's a poster of She Can Do It.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's Wonder Woman.
Yeah.
Just like one of those like antique like army recruiting posters.
You can keep this one. And then there's another one of these.
Pins every month. It's Batman looking over Yakato. Then
And
there's a book.
Regrettable Superheroes. I'm guessing it's just a bunch of superheroes that suck. Yeah.
Like the really old classic.
And there's a voucher for something.
Brawl Hollow.
Oh, that's
something. I'm a big one.
And then this is the
Ooh.
house or something.
It
You can
says
use this.
"Flip me inside out."
Yeah, just.
Yeah. Hey guys, that's his loot crate.
That was a mess. But yeah, this is LootCrate. Remember to like, share, subscribe.
Watch my videos; they're more better.
And subscribe to It's Carlos Just Me.